my room. Can y'all see the mess? Like, that is my room. My room is so flippin' messy. I know my room is messy when my mom doesn't come through to like chill, because then that's her chair. Like, she likes sitting on that chair. So when she doesn't come, that's when you know, alright, it's time to clean up, girls. Time to clean up. So yeah, my room is such a mess right now. I don't even think she'll be happy seeing the fact that I'm showing you guys this, but I need to clean anyway. Need to put those lights away. I need to do my laundry. That's my laundry over there, actually. Right there, that's my laundry. So I need to do that. And after that, I need to take a shower. I need to get dressed because I have to go to the airport, and I also have to go to SARS. Is it SARS or SARS? SARS. 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 Listen, that place. South African Revenue Services. I have to go there to fix my tax stuff. And I also have to go to, I have a meeting at around 12 today. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I need to do, and I think I'm already late. I feel like I need to do things as quickly as I possibly can to make sure that I make all these meetings. I still need to fill in some forms as well. Like, there's a lot going on. I need to talk to my suppliers. Like, guys, you guys are gonna love what I've been working on. I feel like y'all are going to be very, very proud, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. I really can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, let me get to cleaning. Let me get to cleaning, and then I will catch up with you guys in a few.
You slipping, never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Okay, so
You were number 404 in the queue. Please continue to hold for the first available agent. Thank you for your patience. We will assist you as soon as we can. Taxpayer, if you receive an order sent an SMS from SARS in August, you can do that.
So I'm on the line waiting to speak to a consultant or whatever, because I need to figure out what's going on with my tax stuff. I know that I'm registered, but it doesn't pop up on my e-filing, so I need to figure out what that's about. And then while I'm waiting for them, I'm still number 400 and something. It's gonna take a while, but while I wait for them, I am filling in these forms. These are the application for, what is it? These are application forms for registering as an importer. So I need to get my importing license. Once I get this, I'm good to go. I'm good to go. This is pretty much the only thing that is standing in my way of launching, but it's all good though. It's all good. It's gonna work out. I'm filling this in, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna take a shower. I look ratched though. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna do my makeup because I need to look good. I need to feel good. And then after that, I'm gonna go to yeah, I need to go pick up my mom's ID because she forgot it at Old Mutual, and then I'm gonna go to, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to SARS first or the customs office, but that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna continue doing that, and then I'll catch up with you once everything is sorted. Okay. Okay, so I am working on my brand, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to what's the word, if I want to have like a Christmas special packaging, breast cancer awareness or something like that, Valentine's Day type of vibe, if my logo is going to work on any of these colors. The other one that I want to check out is, let me duplicate this, and then let's try black. Oh yes, oh my god, yes. Oh my word, because one of our boxes, oh my god, it works. Look at that. It works. Oh, it looks so good. So these are the final packaging design for my eyelashes. It's called Gaze. See that? Keigh Cosmetics. We got the white box for sheer elegance, and we got the black box for pure drama. So every eyelash that's going to be in this box over here is going to be the dramatic one, and then every other will be in here, like the natural eyelashes, that type of vibe. So they're all going to be in this packaging, and then for all the dramatic eyelashes, we're going to put them in here. The dramatic, the glamorous type of eyelashes are going to be in this box. So I'm really happy with this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. I can't wait. I can't wait to just, you know, launch it out. I can't wait to announce it, and I can't wait for you guys to see, you know, what I've been working on. I'm excited and I can't wait, but I just need to get my stuff in order. I need to make sure that everything is done legally. So, and let me know if you guys are interested in entrepreneurial videos, like how to start your own business, how to start your own, that type of situation. If you are interested in that, let me know. I will give you the tea, because in SA it's not as easy as Americans make it seem. So I can share that with you guys if you want, I can share. Oh yes, I forgot that I have a Teams meeting call with one of the with DSV for the shipment of my products. So I need to hop onto that call. I have to hop onto that call right now, if I can just find it. At this point, I didn't know that you would want to video call today. I could have prepared myself. I was shocked. Can you hear me?
Hi, I was back. Yes, I can. I was begging to get you off mute.
Great. How are you doing today?
Yes, I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright. I can't complain at all.
Good. Awesome.
Okay.
Nice to see you. The last time we chatted, I wasn't in a position to see you because I had to obviously take the call via my phone. I was sitting at the doctor at the time. My daughter went into the doctor.
Is it?
Oh, shame. Yeah, but it's nice to actually put your face behind your voice.
Yes. Yes.
You probably hear it a lot, but you've got a beautiful smile.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so I am done with the call. That was a very informative call. That was for Shipping Solutions, DSV. I'm trying to find a much more effective, reliable, as well as affordable way to get my products into South Africa. And I needed to figure out how the customs and duties and VAT, like import VAT, how that works, how to calculate that, and so on and so forth. So I'm trying to avoid SARS coming to snatch my money because I didn't do something right, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to do the legal stuff here, because I have been importing things for a really long time, for like years now, and my ID number, I've been using my ID number for a lot of imports, and what happens is you get a limit on your ID number. So that limit, you know, you get a limit on your ID number, right? So you can actually import stuff from China a couple of times and then using your ID number, but at some point you're going to be charged like a whole lot of money. Like there's going to be like fees and penalties and whatever at some point, so I don't want that. That's why I'm working on getting my importer's license. That's what I'm going to do today, right before meeting up with some of my friends. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take a shower now. I'm going to like fold my laundry, put it back into my cupboard, and then I'm going to dress up, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. Then I'm gonna meet up with my friends for lunch, and it's already late, so that's messed up. I gotta do what I gotta do right now, and I gotta go. So I'm gonna see y'all. Bye. Bye. When I come back, I'm gonna look good. Okay, I'm gonna be looking good. I'm gonna be looking good. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do right now is pop on some eyelashes, and I'm gonna do my hair, get dressed, and I'm gonna come back for the final damn reveal.
suka endleleni ungandimosheli ungandimoneli.
No, my nephew loves that. That's for my nephew. Yes.
Hi, nephew.
Yeah.